Disturbing new details tonight in a case involving a teen who was beaten, murdered, and dismembered in Pinellas County. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Lee. Thank you for joining us tonight. Court documents spell out startling information about Miranda Corsett's final days. News Channel 8's Nicole Rogers joins us live in the newsroom with the very latest. Nicole, we want to warn our viewers, some of this information is really upsetting.
The contents of this search warrant just make your stomach turn, Jen. Absolutely horrid details shedding light on 5 new people who police say may have known the teen was being tortured before she was killed. From photographs to witnesses, we are now getting insight from an attorney in Tampa on what this could mean for the case moving forward.
Right now, Stephen Gress and Michelle Vega are in jail, accused of kidnapping, killing, and dismembering 16-year-old Miranda Corsett. This affidavit shows 5 people potentially knew what was happening leading up to her death. A woman living in Gress's apartment during the murder told investigators what she saw, from Corsett coming to their apartment to her body being horrifically thrown in a dumpster. The document also claims Gress told his neighbor he was beating Corsett and sent pictures of what he was doing to 3 other people. Police say in some of those photos, Corsett's condition was so bad, she was almost unrecognizable.
I was surprised at the number of people involved, the number of people having knowledge, and the number of people that may have actual tangible evidence to the crimes that happened.
We spoke with criminal defense attorney Shanna Bailey, who is unaffiliated with this case, to find out what all of this potential evidence could mean for the case.
To prove a charge at trial, you have to get up to the evidentiary burden beyond a reasonable doubt. And so there's a lot of disparity between even what you read in a search warrant and then what you have to get to at trial.
Bailey says the goal is to use the evidence to convince the jury beyond a reasonable doubt.
If you're able to paint that picture beyond a reasonable doubt, whether it's for or against the evidence for or against your client, and lead the jury to a conclusion that they can safely base in the evidence that was provided to them, then you will get a verdict in your favor.
Now the question remains, could any of the 5 people police say may have known the teen was being beaten before she was murdered face any charges moving forward?
As far as strict criminal liability, that will be a determination made by law enforcement based on what these people knew, when they knew it, and how they knew it.
St. Pete police say at this hour, Vega and Gress are the only ones facing charges in this case, but the investigation is ongoing. Live in the Tampa News Center, Nicole Rogers, 8 on your side.